Hello friends, today in this video I want to show you a very good slider for your post that you can install on your WordPress site and use it. And the plugin I want to show you and want you to consider is the slider. It's from Hughes8, the author of this plugin. And just look at the active installation, they have good number of reputation. And I want to install this. If you want to see the more details, just click this more details, because okay, it's already gone away from the detail page. Okay, this is activated now, and soon this plugin is activated. It land up here in the left side of your dashboard menu, and there's journal options here. You can always uh, just loading the images, slider images. You can set the image according to your preferences. Here there are lots of features. They have navigation arrows. You can set them according to your requirements. And this thing is still loading, but you can image behavior, resize, natural, and width, title width, etc, etc. They have really good plugin. They have lots of features. And just go to sliders if you want to create a new slider for your WordPress website. Okay, this is the first slider. Just go hit, and they I think they have a demo slider already created for you. You can always go to grab this shortcut here and add it to post. Just let's just use this code and see how this slider will look on your WordPress website front page, or the page where you add this code. So I'm gonna go and paste this code here. Okay, it's done. The title is the demo for just the video. I just hit the preview. Let's see how the slider will look with those three images. Okay guys, it's look cool to me. Just look at the transitions effect. How amazing. So I believe you will like this video and this plugin as well. If you want, you can always get to their full version. They are asking you to for some money, but they will have many features. You can always go to full demo and see what they have to offer.